Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will teach you the Excel index function step by step. Index returns a value or reference from a table using row and column numbers. You can use index in two forms, array form and reference form. Array form returns a value directly from a single range or array. Reference form returns a reference to a cell within one of multiple ranges. We will practice simple examples with typed cell ranges and named ranges. Start with the array form syntax. Index, array, row num, column num. Use array arguments like A1, C5, or a named range called sales. Example, index A1, C5, 2, 3 returns the value in row 2, column 3. If column num is omitted, index returns the whole row as an array for use in newer Excel. Use 0 or positive integers for row num and column num only. Check that your row and column. For dynamic lookups, combine index with match for precise results and better speed. Use match, value range 0 to find the exact row position for index. Then feed that match result into index as row num or column num. Example, index B2, B100 match, widget A2, A100 0, returns the price for widget in B2, B100. You can also use two match calls for two-dimensional lookups across rows and columns. Index with match avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.